Let's solve the exponential expression 10 over 1 plus base e raised to the negative x power equals the number 2. We'll use method A and method B. For method A, we're using our note 122. And we are going to, step 1, isolate the exponent, the actual e, base e raised to the negative x. Well, that's going to take a little bit of work. First of all, this equation has a fraction, so I'm going to get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides of the equal sign by the LCD. The LCD here is the only denominator, 1 plus e to the minus x power. So multiply the left side by this LCD and multiply the right side by this LCD. And on the left side, the fraction is going to disappear because we cancel the denominator. And we get 10 equals, now distribute multiplication by 2. And on the right side, we get 2 plus 2 times e to the negative x. Now that looks much easier to work with. Remember what I'm trying to do in step 1. I'm trying to isolate the exponent, e raised to the negative x power. And I'm pretty darn close to doing that. I'm going to get that 2 to the other side by subtracting 2 from both sides. And that gives me 8 equals 2 times e to the negative x. Turn the whole thing backwards. I want my base e on the left side. Okay, now get rid of the 2 that's multiplying by dividing both sides by 2. So we get e to the negative x equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, step 2, we translate this exponential expression into logarithmic form. So we write the word log, and I'm going to write log base e. So I'll write natural log of, that's log base e, of the number negative x. All right, hold on. That's not what I did here. I actually did what I was supposed to do on the other one. I took the natural log of both sides. Well, I should have translated it, but here I got lazy and I took the natural log of both sides, and the natural log and the base e canceled each other, so I got negative x equals natural log of 4, and then divide both sides by negative 1. I get x equals negative ln 4, and that's as far as I go if I don't have a calculator. So I'm going to repeat this method B basically the same way. I should have translated in step 2 and I didn't. And so this method B is really exactly the same thing. Let's just run through it real quick because it's just the same thing. I did exactly what I said I was going to do there, though. I took the natural log of both sides. Okay, in any case, if you use the translation or not, you're going to end up with x equals negative natural log of number 4. You run it through your calculator, and the conclusion is, with your calculator, after you round it to 4 decimal places, that x is approximately equal to negative 1.3863.